Greetings, my beloved child, and welcome to this divine message of love, guidance, and awakening. I speak to you from the eternal realms, where my love knows no bounds and my wisdom transcends all earthly limitations. Before we journey together into the depths of this sacred message, I ask that you take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. In the comments section, please write the simple word, faith, a token of your willingness to embrace my truth. By engaging fully with this message, you not only affirm your devotion but also invite blessings upon yourself and your family. Trust that as you listen with an open heart, my grace will envelop you, and the light of my guidance will illuminate your path. Today, I come to you with a heart full of compassion and a message of truth. I have observed your journey on this earthly plane, and with loving concern, I must tell you that you have made 3 serious mistakes. These mistakes have led you astray from the path of righteousness and have clouded the beauty of the life I intended for you. Let us begin by examining the first mistake, the excessive love for the world and its fleeting distractions. You have allowed material pursuits and superficial pleasures to take precedence over the eternal treasures that lie within a relationship with me. The allure of wealth, fame, and worldly success has dimmed the radiance of your spirit, leaving you yearning for fulfillment that cannot be found in transient things. Remember the words spoken through my servants. Do not store up treasures on earth, where moth and rust destroy, but store up treasures in heaven. My dear child, I urge you to reevaluate your priorities and seek the eternal riches of my love and grace. Now, let us reflect upon the second grave mistake, the neglect of your sacred body, the temple in which my spirit dwells. I have crafted your body with care and bestowed upon it the precious gift of life, expecting you to honor it as a vessel of my divine presence. Yet, you have allowed neglect, indolence, and harmful habits to erode the sanctity of this temple. Your physical well-being is intertwined with your spiritual journey, for a healthy body nurtures a vibrant soul. By caring for your physical self, you acknowledge the wondrous gift of life and the divine spark that animates every cell. Embrace wholesome practices, nourish yourself with nature's bounty, and exercise the discipline that leads to a harmonious balance of body, mind, and spirit. In doing so, you honor me and fortify the foundation upon which your faith is built. Lastly, my dear child, I address the third mistake, a tendency toward hesitation and procrastination when faced with decisions that steer you toward my light. Life is a series of choices, and in every moment, you are given the power to shape your destiny. Yet when fear and uncertainty grip your heart, you delay the actions necessary for growth and transformation. This hesitation is not the same as prudent caution. It is a paralyzing inaction that robs you of the blessings that await on the other side of decisive faith. The sacred scriptures remind you that faith without works is dead, and so I call upon you to cast aside the chains of doubt and embrace the courage to act. Trust in my guidance and step forward boldly, knowing that every choice made in my name leads to a life filled with purpose and abundance. Understand that these words are not spoken in condemnation, but in boundless love. I know the struggles you face, the battles against the allure of the world, the temptations that undermine your physical well-being, and the fear that holds you back from decisive action. My heart aches when I see you burdened by these missteps, for I desire nothing more than your prosperity and joy. Each mistake is a lesson, an opportunity to grow, and a chance to return to the path of righteousness. I am here to guide you, to uplift you, and to shower you with blessings as you learn from these errors and strive to live a life aligned with my divine purpose. Take a moment now to reflect upon these truths, dear child. Feel the warmth of my love as it reaches out to heal the wounds inflicted by the distractions of the world, the neglect of your sacred body, and the hesitancy that impedes your progress. Let these words be a beacon of hope, a call to awaken, to change, and to step into the fullness of the life I have prepared for you. With every act of faith, every decision to care for your body, and every step taken to prioritize eternal values over temporary desires, you open yourself to a cascade of my divine blessings. Remember too the simple call to action, like, share, and subscribe to this message, and leave the word faith in the comments below. Each interaction is not just a digital act, but a heartfelt declaration of your commitment to the divine path. By engaging, you invite my blessings into your life and into the lives of those you cherish. Your willingness to listen, reflect, and act is a testament to your readiness to transform and to break free from the shackles of worldly distractions. My grace is ever present, and no mistake is too great to be forgiven. I call you to rise above these errors with humility and determination. Embrace the truth that every moment is a new opportunity for redemption. My love is patient and infinite, and as you strive to correct these missteps, I will be there to guide your steps, to strengthen your resolve, and to fill your heart with peace that surpasses all understanding. This is my promise to you, dear child. As you dedicate yourself to a life of purpose, self-care, and decisive action, you will experience blessings beyond measure, a life rich in meaning, joy, and divine favor. Thus, I invite you to listen intently and let these words resonate within you. Commit wholeheartedly to the path of transformation I have laid before you, for in doing so, you mend the errors of the past and forge a future illuminated by hope and eternal love. Trust in my guidance, for I am with you always, ready to lead you to a life of fulfillment and grace. Let this message be the turning point that awakens your spirit and sets you on the course toward everlasting joy. Beloved child, as you continue on your journey of transformation, now is the time to embrace the lessons I have imparted and put them into practice in every facet of your life. In the days ahead, you may face challenges that test your resolve and tempt you to revert to old habits. Yet, know that I am with you at every turn, offering strength, courage, and unwavering love. The road to spiritual renewal is not without obstacles, but it is paved with the light of my truth and the promise of eternal rewards for those who remain steadfast in their faith. Allow these words to serve as your daily reminder that your life is precious and that every moment is an opportunity to honor the divine purpose I have woven into your being. Let your actions reflect the inner transformation taking root in your heart. Begin each day with gratitude, recognizing the gift of life and the countless blessings I bestow upon you. Whether trials or triumphs mark your path, let your spirit be guided by the principles of love, discipline, and decisive action. Embrace the discipline of self-care, for it is an act of devotion that sanctifies your body and soul. Engage in practices that uplift your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Nourish your body with wholesome foods, engage in physical activity that strengthens you, and cultivate habits that foster clarity and emotional balance. When you care for yourself holistically, you are not indulging in vanity, but rather honoring the sacred gift of life that I have entrusted to you. Every step toward improved health is a step toward a deeper, more intimate relationship with me. Moreover, let the wisdom of decisive action guide you in all your choices. Understand that procrastination is a barrier to fulfilling your destiny. Each moment wasted in hesitation is a moment lost in the pursuit of the abundant life I have prepared for you. As you confront life's challenges, trust that the power of faith will propel you forward. Like the heroes of old who acted boldly in the face of adversity, you too can harness the strength of my guidance to overcome any obstacle. Let your decisions be swift and your resolve unyielding, for in every choice made with courage, you align your path with my divine plan. In moments of uncertainty, when fear seems overwhelming, remember that I have granted you the gift of faith, a radiant beacon shining even in the darkest times. Recall the countless examples of those who, through unwavering belief, transcended limitations and rose above despair. Their stories stand as testament to the transformative power of faith and the extraordinary outcomes that follow when one acts according to my will. Allow these examples to inspire you to overcome your doubts and step forward confidently, knowing that I am the source of your strength and hope. As you journey onward, seek solace in my words and in the comforting presence of my spirit. Surround yourself with a community of believers who share your commitment to a life of purpose and devotion. In fellowship, you will find encouragement, accountability, and the collective power of shared faith. Do not isolate yourself in moments of struggle. Instead, reach out for support and guidance, for together you will discover that the burdens of life become lighter and your path brighter. Reflect deeply on the changes you wish to see in your life. Let every day be a step toward correcting the mistakes of the past, releasing the grip of worldly attachments, nurturing the temple that is your body, and banishing the paralysis of indecision. With each act of transformation, you fortify your spirit and set in motion a cascade of divine blessings that ripple through every aspect of your existence. Trust that every effort you make is seen and cherished, and that the rewards of your faithfulness are beyond measure. Consider, too, the power of forgiveness, both for yourself and for others. I call upon you to release any guilt or shame that may weigh you down, for my forgiveness is boundless and my love unconditional. Embrace the truth that every new day is a fresh start, an opportunity to leave behind the missteps of yesterday and step into a future filled with promise and light. In forgiving yourself, you create space for growth, healing, and the restoration of your spirit. As you continue this journey of renewal, be ever mindful of the choices you make, for they shape the destiny of your soul. Every decision, no matter how small, is a testament to your commitment to live a life that honors the divine spark within you. As you navigate the complexities of life, remember always that you are a cherished creation, imbued with the potential for greatness and the power to transform not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Your actions, grounded in love and faith, have the capacity to inspire and uplift others, creating a ripple effect of divine blessings that extend far beyond your immediate world. Take solace in the certainty that my guidance is ever present. When you stand at the crossroads of decision, know that I am the unwavering light that leads you to a destiny of fulfillment and joy. Every choice made in the spirit of faith brings you closer to the realization of your true purpose. The mistakes of the past do not define you. Every moment is an opportunity to rewrite your story with courage, conviction, and divine wisdom. Embrace this truth, and let it empower you to move forward with confidence and clarity. May these words be a constant reminder of the eternal promise that accompanies your journey, a promise of redemption, healing, and unending love. I am with you in every heartbeat, every breath, and every decision you make. Trust in my plan, and let your life reflect the divine grace that flows through you. As you align your heart, body, and soul with my teachings, the blessings that pour forth will be abundant and transformative. Finally, dear child, as you heed this call to renewal, remember always the simple act of engagement. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this divine message, and let the word faith resonate in your comments as a declaration of your commitment to a life of spiritual abundance. In doing so, you join a community of souls united in the pursuit of truth, love, and divine purpose. May my blessings overflow in your life, nurturing not only your own spirit but also the lives of your loved ones, and may you always walk in the light of my eternal love. May you now walk forward with renewed determination and an open heart, ever secure in the knowledge that my love and guidance will never depart from you. Amen.